The sound back.
Yeah, it's fine for me. Yeah. Okay, maybe sound volume option, there is a problem. Don't try to do any modifications in your system. Okay, and suddenly don't try to close it, because for everyone I am making organizer. If anyone is closed the meeting now, it will affect to all of them, including me also. It will get closed. All of you having the equal rights to access the GoToMeeting team. Please, it's my request to everyone, directly don't close it. Okay, if you want to exit or if you want to get out from the meeting, okay, from the meeting I'm telling, so one drop down list will be there, exit, a leave meeting, one option is given. Please use that one, but don't close directly. Okay, this is for everyone. By mistake you may do this one, just simply I'm telling you. Now let's see, this process is done in one approach. So what is that approach? Let's see. So in that approach, we use keywords for preparing testers or scripts. We use keywords for preparing testers or scripts. First, we create testers and make them as function and call them in test pane. Call them in test pane. Now let's see. First, we create the testers. First, we create testers or scripts and make them as functions and call them on test pane by giving the keywords or by using those keywords which you have given already. For this approach, or for this we need to use one folder structure. We need to use one well-defined folder structure. Folder structure. In order to create the scripts, store the scripts, organize and manage the scripts, we required this folder structure. We required this folder structure. It's a mandatory element. It's a mandatory element. That folder structure is the mandatory element. So what is that folder structure? Let's see. Company to company it will be varied here. Let's see the folder structure. Fine, Iram. You can go. I will make you dismiss. Do you want to leave the meeting or let it be? Okay, fine. First one, folder structure. Test data and requirements. Next, object repository. Functional library. Environment. Test scripts. Test log or result. This no need to learn separately. You know about this. Test data and requirements. Project related test data file will be stored in this folder. Which folder? Test data and requirement folder. And test plan, project related FRS, SRS documents. Will be stored. So file saving extension. It can be .doc for FRS test plan, .xls means document folder, Word document, Word Excel. Okay, MS Word document, MS Word Excel will be given. This is the first folder structure. Now next one. Project related object repository file. Object repository will be stored in this folder. So what is object repository?
It's a memory location to
Yeah, it's a storage or a memory location.
store the object's properties and values.
Good. It's a storage or memory location where all object related properties and values will be stored. So for this file saving extension, what is the file saving extension for this?
Yes, sir.
Make it loud, please.
TSR.
T
TSR.
TSR dot TSR.
TSR dot TSR. Very good. Abbreviation?
Test
Just
share
repository.
share repository.
Test shared repository. Good. Okay, this is the interview point of question. Please remember. Definitely they will ask what is .tsr file. It's an object repository saved location file extension. So the concept which we are learning is what? Keyword driven framework. Keyword driven or user defined words. This is defined by us, that keywords here, this keywords defined by me. So where you are going to create means in library file. So in library file only we are going to create the keywords. In this folder we are creating keys to call the script lines. That folder name is library file. That is library file. Library file. File saving extension, how to create? By using functions here. So in this folder we are creating keys to call the script lines. That is called library file. By using functions we are creating function method. This file. File extension is .vbs. Visual Basic Script. .vbs file. So Yeah, project related some secure input data. Secured input data, we can save it in environment file. Save it in one location. That is called environment. So by using here, there are two environments are there. One is built-in environment. Second one is user-defined environment. So by using user-defined environment concept, we can create our own values here. Secure data we can create by using user-defined. We can create variable. We can create own values. How to create in the class you will understand. File saving extension here is .xml, extendable markup language. Automatically QTP will create. How it is getting how it will create in detail I'm going to explain you in next step. Project related each and every level scripts. Level scripts will be saved in this folder. File extension is .txt, means notepad, or .doc, means Word document. Project related result will be saved in this folder. File extension is .mtr, Mercury test result. So this is called what? This is only known as your actual options, actual folder structure. All of you just go through it. Folder structure. Just a minute. Yeah, all of you read it and let me know if you're having any doubts here. Once it's done, please let me know. Yeah, Satish, it is done. Teja, Satish, Iram,
Yes, Vidya.
Prerna. Fine.
Yes, Vidya.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Fine.
Yes, yes.
Divya,
Yes, yes.
Subha.
Yes, yes.
Fine. Now let's see. Now let's see working process. First step, create the folder structure. Then create the script lines and all files, all desired files or script lines, and save it into desired files folders. Then other files and save it into desired folders. Then take the new test pane, write the keywords, associate all files, execute them, analyze the result. And report. Report the result and save. You can save the result report also. So these steps you have to do for keyword driven. Create the folder structure. By using FSO method, we can create the folder structure. FSO method means file system object. File system object method, we can create folder structure. Format, syntax, first you have to write like set FSO equals to create object. This is a format, scripting dot file system object. Then see. Now let's start the actual practical. Here you are having a folder structure called 7 folders or 6 folders structure. That folder structure you need to create in My Computers C drive with the folder name is Teja Keyword Driven Framework. Is there any name as Teja? See, there is no name as Teja. Here I want to create a Teja Keyword Driven Framework. How to create? Anyone? If I want to create a folder here, how
New
you will
folder.
create in general?
Just add new folder.
Good.
To the
Just add or right click here. Right click new folder. But you are a automation tester. You have to right click new folder. Again in that 6 subfolders you have to create. It is a time taking process. To avoid the time taking process, you are asking QTP to create. You are just giving the syntax script line here. So what you are saying here, in my C drive here, after giving this for syntax format, FSO means file system object dot create folder where in this address. C drive. C:/. In my C drive, folder name is what? Example, Teja keyword driven. Keyword framework. Folder name itself is this. Close the bracket. That's it. Copy this one. Paste it. Hit the run button. See, there is no name as Teja. Here it will create at the bottom or somewhere else. Hit the run button. Within a second it will create. See. Result is done. See. Teja keyword framework. But it is empty. In this I want subfolder structure. So slash. Your 6 subfolders are there, na? Step by step you need to create. First one is what? First one is
Main folder.
test data and requirements. Second one is object repository. Next, functional library. Next, environment. Next, test scripts, test log or result. See. Teja folder is empty here. Within a second all the script lines will get created. See. Just in seconds only. See. This is your first option. Okay, folder structure. Copy the script line first. Open one notepad. Paste it. For future reference purpose, go to File, Save As. In my computers, C drive, Teja folder, test scripts. This is level 1 script. Level 1. FSO. Method. Click on Save. If lead wants to see, I want to see the framework folder structure of the syntax means, folder structure to create means, they can easily go to this position. Test, where is the scripts here? Level 1 script, FSO method. They will open this one. So one task is done. Now take the new one. Create the script lines, means project. So your project is here. Project name flight application, module 1 is login. Module 2 is open. Just an example. Module 3 is close. Create the script lines and other files. So first script line is this. I'm creating. Here is the application. Keep the tool under recording. Windows. Apply and OK. First activate. Enter username as Vidya. Password as Mercury. Click on OK. and 50th order number I want to see. Go to file, open order, order number 50, click OK, close the application, stop recording. Just an example. So this is, you have to analyze up to now one script, and this is one script. Okay. Now I want to open the application automatically. System util dot run. Right click, properties, copy the target location, Control V. This is all belongs to one script. This is a level 2 script. Copy it. Project related one script you created. Level 2 basic script. Close it. Level 2. Now go to resource object repository. This is the object repository file. You have to save this one also. Here what I said, create the script lines and other files. Other files is one is object repository. Go to file, export local objects. In my computer, C drive. Here Teja keyword. This is a TSR file where I want to save on object repository. Select it. Project name is flight. Automatically it will save in the extension format. Then close it. So one file, TSR file I created. Now one more file. Other all files I am talking. Here next functional, before functional environment file I will create. Environment file means some confidential data I don't want to create here. Input data like password I don't want to maintain here. Delete it. Like username I don't want to create here. Delete it. If you want you can give the application path also, you can delete. Now let's see. Then where you can create those things. Input data, externally whatever information you are giving here, those input data I don't want to maintain in my script lines. Then where you need to create means some other secure location I want to maintain. That secure location name is environment file. Go to file, environment, go to file settings. One tab is there, environment. I told you na environment file is divided into two types. So environment variable is divided into two. Two types. One is built-in. Second one is user defined. So we are working with user defined only. This built-in variable we are not creating, automatically it is created by QTP. We are not using anything here. So this is no used by or nowhere used by testing team. It is created automatically when we purchase it. QTP. We in the sense company. Here in this we can use our own values. own values. That is called user defined values. So some confidential data we can use here. See, drop down user defined. Here click on plus. First I want to pass the path. Right click, properties. Very easy method. Most of the companies, they're going to follow different styles, different methods. Ultimate concept is this. See, in mathematical, in the schooling level or a college level in mathematical, different colleges and different students in the class also, they're going to write in different formulas. Finally result is same, output should be the same. So here also same level only. Programming side also, some companies test developer will write 10 lines of code. Some developer will write same to create the application only. They may write 20 lines or they may write 5 lines also. It's up to their talent. In very easy method you have to follow in programming side anywhere. So here path, I have added path. Plus indicate add user. Here my user name is, let's say for example, Prerna. Click on OK. And password. PWD means password is Mercury. Here you have created. If you remember names, that is enough, not values. Path, user, PWD. So click on export. Here, this is the environment. Go to Teja keyword, click on environment, see .xml. Project name is flight. Click OK. Automatically XML file will be created. Click apply and OK. Now how come those file will call here, how it will recognize means, see. You are declaring variable called x equals to environment format dot value, and that value is path. Means path will be called from environment value, user defined environment value, and that value will be added here in x location. One memory location called x. That x I'm calling here. That's it. Y equals to environment dot value and user, and user will be called here. Z equals to environment. Anything you can give. Password. That value will be called. If you want to see whether those values only adding or not means, let's see. Hit the run button, let's see. Somewhere else you have created, see, Prerna password. So why to create means, script lines everyone can view it. To some confidential data, passwords, secured passwords you should not share. Some banking related projects, some credentials, default credentials you are creating. So those, if you don't want to share anyone means, you can create in this secure way. So environment file also created. Copy this one. Open one notepad. Paste it. Go to file, save as. Say level 3 environment keys. Environment keys you have created. Save it. Now see. Here project related all files will be saved manually only. Test data file. This is a test data file. This is a requirement file. This is a test plan file. project related files. See. So environment file is created. Object repository file is also created. Test data for number of projects, same folder structure is going to use it. Here one project folder structure I am showing you, files. Other project environment also created here only. Test scripts. And functional library is left, test log at the end you will understand. Okay. Up to now is it clear? It's a little lengthy process here. You have to follow the steps. Once the class is completed, just go through it. You will understand. Now functional library file. Means keywords you have to create. So up to here one keyword I want to create. You have to decide which line to which line you want to call. So this is one module I am considering. So here function space login A keyword I am giving login A. You have to remember that login A. End function here. So just if you write login A, this is the keyword to call these many script lines. Then library file syntax function open order B. That you have to remember, otherwise you can't work on it. Open order B keyword you have to remember, or no need to write lengthy or word also. You can make it in short also. Open. For understandable purpose, order I will write. That's it. Function close order. C. Copy. Open one notepad as usual. Go to file, save as. Here level 4 functional keywords. Keywords. Again open one notepad. This is very important step out of this concept. Go to file, save as. In Teja keyword functional library here. Flight.vbs Visual Basic Script. This is only the topic file concept you have to remember. Library file if you want to create, open notepad, save it in the form of extension called VBS. Save it. That's it. Close this one. Now functional library file is also created. Now this step is done. All files I have created. Then take the new test pane. So make it new. No need to save anything. I have given it new test pane. Write the keywords. Just write the keywords. Login A. Open order B. Exact name you have to give. Close order C. Keywords you have created. Associate all files, execute them. Go to resource object repository empty. Nothing is given. You have to add it. Already you have created. So go to associate. Where? In Teja keyword object repository. File associate. Click OK. Fine. Now go to file settings. Environment file. User defined. Nothing is given. Load variables and values from external file. Already you created. In Teja folder, environment, flight, open. It is there. Apply and OK. That's it. You have defined that one. Go to file, settings, resource, associate functional libraries. Plus indicates add. Browse the library file. Functional library. Oh, something wrong. Okay, some problem is there. Let me check.
Close order.
No, it's not a problem. Anyhow, I will make it a CA. Yeah, you are right, dear. Close. Close order. Same thing, you have to give the key.
No, closer you mentioned, right?
Yeah, close. CLOSE, right?
Yes.
Sorry. Close order. Here you have to give same thing.
Okay.
Open order. Same keyword you have to give, otherwise it won't recognize.
Okay.
Let me save for safe side, open order. And login. Is it clearly ended or not? Just I'm rechecking. Okay, let's see. Now go to file, settings, resource, library file. Oh. So this file test Teja framework function library. Syntax error, this one. Okay. Okay, maybe it is not allowing me to add the space here. Other file I'll try to see. Maybe space problem. 90% space problem is there. Login, open, close. Order also we can give, but I don't know why it's not allowing. Last way I'm trying to do. If it is not working, I will try to create one more library file here. Two spaces it is not allowing. Login. Open. Close.
It says syntax error only, Vidya.
Which one? In library file?
No, the error it was showing.
Yeah, in library
Syntax
file.
error. Yeah.
Yeah, it is a syntax error. It says maybe it is not allowing the spaces of the keywords.
Okay.
Spaces of the keywords it is not allowing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that I am creating now.
Okay.
One more space I have given. If it is not allowing, I have to remove that space also.
Okay.
Here itself it is not allowing means next step here if I am not changing now it will not allow. Again here it will says the problem. So that is the reason I am rectifying here also.
Okay.
In syntax problem is there. I'm rectifying there and here also. Just refresh and select. Oh my god, something problem. .vbs file only I have saved, right? Flight A dot VBS, Visual Basic Script file.
You have to give there as function space login A like that.
Okay, this you are talking, but I have given already.
Here function open, function close like that you're saying, right? There
Function
also.
open. Yeah.
There also you have to declare like that.
At end which line you're talking about here?
Yeah. The script you're writing over there, there you're mentioning login A.
Yeah, keyword.
Yeah. But here you are mentioning function.
No, that is
Actually,
the syntax. The function, that function login A will be coming, these script lines will be called in this between the function only.
okay.
That is the syntax.
The
Okay.
syntax error is only in this file, right? Not what you are writing right now.
Here you are talking.
No, I can understand right now. Whatever you said is correct. Actually, I thought that I'm comparing with this one and the one you are writing right now.
No,
So,
the one where I'm writing, you're talking about this one here.
no, I got it. Here you are mentioning login, function open, like that you have to specify here.
No need
Uh,
to specify function name here.
okay.
Okay, no need to
Correct.
specify. Actually, this space I can give it, but I don't know why it's not allowing. So if it is not working, again I will create flight A. I have written, right. So go
Okay.
to file settings, or sometimes QTP will face some problem. Resource library file functions. Browse the file. Flight A. No, there is a problem. I think major problem. Let me associate other file. Is it the problem for only here which I created or something else? I will try to call other application C drive. Pratibha one file is there. Just I'm checking library file. Yeah, it is login.vbs function library. Same concept yesterday only I explained to Pratibha. I already created here. What is the difference? Just observe here. See, open order also have given close. Why it is not associating here? I'm not
Open
sure.
continuous.
Mhm. Continuous what dear?
Open space order you gave. Here it is open order continuous. That
Yeah,
is not a.
not a problem. That's not a problem. I can give
Correct.
open also here. Na? I can give open also. Let me see the other file. Okay, I'll do one thing. Here I can easily recognize the problem. Function login. Login. End function. Function open. End function. Function close. End function. See, there is no change at all. Not this script line. You can see the this script line. Login. Is there any spelling mistake? Please identify on function, end function, function, end function.
Vidya, just run and see this one, right? If it is working.
Library file in this way it won't work, na dear. To run keywords only you have to give. So let's see one more time and paste it. Go to file, save as. In Teja function library vidya.vbs Visual Basic Scripting. Click on save and this keyword copy it. This keyword copy. This keyword copy it. Let's see last time we will do it. Name as Vidya have given here. Just I'm refreshing. Go to file, settings, resource. Why it's not working here? Teja keyword framework function library. It will prevent the test from running currently. Function library. I don't know why it is giving. Okay, I'll do one thing here. See dear, if you want, you can see the same script line for previous Pratibha script line. See function library, environment file path, user, password. So system util.run and activated age and name set Vidya password. XYZ I have called here, XYZ. Then I asked QTP to wait, I want to see this value. Then I closed it, function library. So then open order B. Up to here one function, then close order C. I'll do one thing, this script line I will save it. If there
Vidya,
is a
just go
problem,
down, right? I think you didn't give window flight reservation close in our text. I think that's it.
this is not there.
Yeah, window you didn't give, just flight reservation or close you gave.
Okay, let me see. Maybe let me check it out. Teja file. Open with the notepad. Yes, you are right, dear. Good. It's got deleted by mistake. So that is the reason it says syntax error. Good observation. But we'll see. Window flight reservation dot close. That syntax, script line syntax is missing. I thought there is a syntax problem of this line. Okay. Same thing we will do for save Vidya, Vidya keyword. Let's see. Yeah, good dear. Thank you. So click on apply and OK. So what we did, we have created the one is environment file we have created. Second one resource file we have associated. Then object repository file we have associated here. Then go to file, save as. This is the result window. I want to save it. So file, click on C drive on Teja keyword driven on test log. Flight. You can give the space, open space order. Same value if you give it here, it will work here. Okay, same thing. Click on run button. See, automatically by giving the keywords only, it is opening the application and it is opening the order number, whatever order number 50th record you have given, it will open and it will close. For example, I want to use only login. So close this, only login and close I want. That's it. You can give only two. Hit the run button. Login and close will works here. See. Login and close. If I want to use only login, just give the keyword as login. Reliability testing is there. Continuously if you want to test individual modules, so just give the keywords and execute it. Only login I want. Just in Notepad, save the keywords and whichever key if you want to execute, open that one and execute it. So this is called keyword driven framework. Any word used as a key to the script lines to call. Okay. So you can give the spaces also. Space not problem. The problem is our friend is identified now syntax by mistake window I deleted it. I didn't observe that one and I'm checking the framework syntax. I mean to say library file syntax I'm checking. So this is called what? This is only known as you feel it's a lengthy process. Just practice by your end. Okay. So next tomorrow we will discuss about data driven, or else today we will finish it off with this data driven. So freshly tomorrow new topic we will start. Okay, what do you say team? Can we?
I'm good.
Data driven is nothing but one of the parameterization only. If everyone is okay, I will go with this. Max 15 minutes time it will take.
I'm good with you.
What about rest of the team? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it is all. Yeah, it is already repeated topic dear. So we learned long back parameterization that in different ways you can do it. So here at the beginning level, passing the multiple sets of data to test the major functionality. Yeah, enhancements. In enhancements you will get it. Output values, synchronizing. Yeah, here. See, I already written here, data driven. So retesting, passing the multiple sets of data to test the major functionality, but slight change is there. I will show you that change now. Same concept, but in different way you can give it. Yeah. First thing, retesting means again and again with multiple sets of data to test the application. So that is in parameterization concept you can do. That another name is data driven framework. Here open the application, enter username and password, clicking this concept and click on OK button. Open one order number. Check that order number. And close the application. These steps you have to do. Generate the script by recording. Collect the test data from external file. Technically we are calling it as a flat file. It is nothing but an Excel sheet. And place it into data table. And do the parameterization process. We can do in 3 ways. One is throughout keyword driven. Keyword view. Data driver. Manually also we can give. Throughout keyword driven, agent name I will do for agent name. Data driver for password I will do. Manually for open order I will do. Let's see. Before that, open one Excel sheet. So here A, B, C is there, that parameter, those titles we can't change it. Here user underscore list, password underscore list, orders underscore list. In separate external sheet you are using. Example, Satish, Shubha, Teja, Prerna, Divya. Mercury. Order list, choice is yours. Go to file, save as. In desktop, test data I'm saving. Name as test data, save it. Close it. Already you have created. Now open the application. Very simple, already you learned in parameterization. Apply and OK. So activating, enter username, password as Mercury, click on OK. Go to file, open order, order number anything you can give, click OK, then close it. Stop recording. As you know, I want to open the application automatically. Systemutil.run you can give. Right click, copy the target, paste it here. So script is created. Now go to view data table. Sheet, you need to import from file. So where it is there on data, test data. In which sheet? Sheet 1, click OK. Sheet 1, click OK. In sheet 1 the data is saved. First through keyword view agent name I have to do. This agent name through keyword view I will do. These are all user list. Click on keyword view option. Agent name is this. See, click on configure, parameter, user list. See, it's got highlighted. Click OK. That's it. Now go back. See, script got changed. Now password. Go to tools, data driver option. Second option, data driver option. Password, parameter. Parameter all, password list. See, click OK. This you know very well. Now order number I want to use. Where is order number? Here. You can write manually also. Here set space data table. Means this is the data table. ORDERS underscore list. Means open bracket, double quotes, exact ORDERS underscore list. Double quotes close, comma. DT means data table. DT, data table, global sheet. So this is a global sheet. Now hit the run button. That's it. In 3 ways we have given. Hit the run button. See. Like this, parameterization is one of the data driven framework also we are calling, and already you learned this. In 3 ways we have given. Just go through today. Hybrid framework, no need to learn. Some companies not even don't know what is hybrid framework. It's a combination of 1 or 2 frameworks is called hybrid. So we are not doing this hybrid framework. Just it is there in my notes, you can check it out. So how many times you have executed, those many times information will be given. Okay. So this is after you're practicing all frameworks, all topics. At the end, if you're having a time, then you practice this one. Remaining topics once it's completed. It's a combination. Combination of 1 or 2 frameworks is called hybrid. It is there in my notes. You can check it out. With this very important topic called framework concept got ended. So next we are going to discuss about batch testing. The next concept tomorrow we will discuss. Okay. Tomorrow we will discuss batch testing, and tomorrow only I will decide still how many days of classes are there. I will inform you after batch testing and next concept completed. Okay.
Okay.
Fine team. Thank you so much. With this today I'm ending up the session. I will send the notes to you people. You can check it out. Okay.
Bye, Vidya.
Okay.
Okay team.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye dear.